hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? I know you guys saw the title, so don't look at me with those. You don't need another BMW. You don't need another car. You just bought an E92. Don't look at me with those eyes. Look at me like you're about to hit that subscribe button. You're about to like the video. And you're gonna turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. That's all you're gonna do. But in today's video, I am going to be going to, I would say, look at another BMW, but I'm most likely buying it. I already looked at it like yesterday, but I want this BMW. I want to add it to the collection. Might as well. Why not? Who doesn't want more BMWs? So I'm gonna head over there, look at the BMW. You'll see exactly what kind it is. It is in some rough shape. It's got a power drain issue, and I'm gonna have to figure that out. I'm gonna master mechanic, in my own words. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. We'll look at the car. It's already lowered. It looked like it was set up for drifting, so yeah, I know. I'm thinking about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this car. All right, on the way. We are rolling in Nipsey today. Nipsey Blue, of course. So, on the way to go get this cash, you know, get another BMW, baby. Gotta add to the collection. Let's get it. Well, there it is. There it is. I am getting the E36. Like I said, this thing is gonna need some work. I'm gonna need to get cables for it and everything like that. Interior is gonna need to get done. Yeah, interior needs some work. However, it's a stick shift, and I'm ready to put in some work. So let's get it back there. All right, it is mine. Title and everything. I'm gonna get this transferred in soon. Got the keys, baby. We own it. We own it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this tow truck and go do some other stuff. And the tow truck's gonna come to get it, bring it to the house, start figuring out this power drain issue, and then, you know, the build begins. Got our tow truck here. Let's go ahead and bring this back to the house. Just sit it outside for now. So we got the car back. I had to take a little break or a little pause to wash Nipsey because it was dirty as ever. So right now I don't have an actual battery charger, so I'm charging the battery for it right now over here. I am going to start probably tomorrow looking at everything to see if I can figure out exactly why it's not running or why the battery is dying, or well, all that foolishness. But that's the engine for it. So 3 6-cylinders right now. I should have got a car with a 4-cylinder. Whatever. So yeah, I'll work on it tomorrow. Figure out if I can try to get this, because it's a salvage title, so I'm gonna try to get it restored if I can. I don't know if I can. It says some level 3 inspection here in Arizona that has to be done. So also I came to realize that the hose for my charge pipe, it's not my charge pipe, the outlet charge pipe, just like blew up. There's a big hole in it. So I guess I gotta replace that now, obviously. But gonna go ahead and finish charging up the battery, throw it in there, start it up. We'll see how it runs. All right, got it running. Charge up the battery a little bit. I'm gonna take it to AutoZone to finish. I tested it already. It's not getting any power to the battery, so the alternator's not charging it. But it's running. I'm really gonna have to do a lot of work on this interior. Yeesh. And there it goes. Anywho, that is the third BMW to the collection. So that'll be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Catch you in the next video. Video update. It's been about a week and a half, I think. Numerous trips to the junkyard have happened. So, might as well give you guys an update. And you thought it was gonna be the end of the video. Nah.
You crazy.
So, a couple things that have been done. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Alrighty, so bunch of stuff. Covers over here have been put on. Got a cover for this. Changed out all the fuses and stuff like that. I also have already fixed the power drain issue, which was just a bad alternator. I think it was, but I rewired a bunch of stuff. So that's all in there. So we got the bumper support back on. We got a couple of these pieces here. As you can see, it's marked green from the junkyard. Got a whole crash bar back in there. Put the bumper on when I end up getting a new bumper because this piece in here is broke off. But got the camshaft position sensor there that I'm gonna be ordering. Crank sensor. Somebody removed the idle air control valve, so I'm gonna put that back in there. It's still surging, so I'm pretty sure it's either fuel or that. I tried to scan it, didn't work. On the inside, there's this kill switch in here for the pump, so I rewired some stuff already. I'm gonna end up trying to figure out how to get it perfectly put back in. Undid all these stickers. All the stickers are off. That hard stuff that was on the taillights, gone. Obviously, wiped it down a little bit. Oh yeah, the hood holds up by itself, as you can see. Got a new hood struts for it. But yeah, it's coming along pretty well. So all in all, car is coming along decently. Need to get the new headlights, obviously. I'm gonna get some clean headlights, get some new grills and stuff like that for it. I think the radiator is leaking, so I'm gonna get a new radiator. And putting the clutch fan back in there because I don't like this electrical fan with the ghetto wiring. So, all in all, this is gonna be the end of the video. So, like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications. Catch you guys in the next video.